Hi guys, welcome back for another part of Cuphead. Today we're doing this stage, Ruse of an Ooze, and we might get through 2 levels in this video. We'll just see. So if you haven't seen the other 3 parts, I'd suggest you go over to them. Anyways, let's get started. I've been making off camera, I've been making my own thing for our videos, and I had to complete 3 different levels, and usually it takes me about 2 days to complete each level. But it was the first 3 levels. It was just Forest Fillies, Botanic Panic, and Treetop Trouble. Oh my god, this guy's massive. Do you guys think I'll be able to get past this guy for my first attempt of round 2? I'm gonna save up my special attack, don't you think, guys? So I will then I'll use it on round 3. Oh, I should have gone to the mausoleum first. Don't you think, guys? Then I could have just gotten 1 power up at. Okay, I'm gonna switch to the pea shooter.
Why? Ooh.
Missed. Oh great, I knew I would.
Ah, bugger.
Ah!
What?
You just swore.
Yeah, well.
No swearing allowed.
Terribly sorry.
Yes, you better be. I'm just gonna go to the mausoleum.
Can you not get the extra? Oh, blimey. Can you not get the extra
Extra what?
HPs? Don't get all attitude with me. HPs.
Oh yeah.
Can you not go and do a little dance there somewhere and get extra HPs?
Well, how many levels have I got left in the first aisle?
Oh.
Got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I've got 3. So I
Blimey,
might.
what's going on here?
So I might use that.
It's different.
This is the mausoleum.
Right.
So if you guys don't know what a mausoleum is, so basically you gotta parry all these ghosts until you beat the level, and then you get a reward for it, which is a super, and you get to see the friendly Miss Chalice.
My camera works as steady as always, though.
But she's not so friendly in the Cuphead show.
She is.
Well, yeah, but only to Cuphead and Mugman.
Yeah, but.
And strangely to the devil as well.
No, he tricks her. Doesn't he? She has to be friendly to him because he's tricked her. Ooh.
No, she has to be friendly to him because he's the whole reason that Miss Chalice is alive.
Victory.
I got it first try, guys.
Sweet, guys. There's Miss Chalice. She's
Gosh, I don't know how to thank you, boys, for saving me. Where are my manners? I didn't even introduce myself. I am known as the legendary Chalice. Pleased to meet you. I was searching for magic and got trapped by those ghosts. Speaking of magic, please accept this gift. It should help. There are other mausoleums around Inkwell Isle. I just wonder. That was cool, wasn't it, guys?
Wasn't it, guys? Why do all YouTubers call everyone guys?
I don't know.
Hi, guys.
Dear me, you mustn't forget that magical super arts have to be equipped in the menu before use. unequip the chaser.
Why?
Unequip.
Why are you
Unequip
unequipping it?
this.
Why?
Because the pea shoot is easier, don't you think, guys? Who agrees with me?
Who agrees that my camera works really tip top and that Quentin Tarantino should give me a job? Shut up, you don't even know who he is. Well, you probably do actually. Because you is clever.
But not as clever as this raindrop.
Quentin, if you're watching, geez a job. And if you are watching, Christ, you're bored.
Are you guys bored? I
Oh,
hope not.
Blimey.
We try to make as most effort
As most effort?
as we can.
We do.
Someday you'll probably see us editing our videos. Well, not actually
Yeah.
see us.
Maybe.
No, not maybe, probably.
Alright, probably. But what?
Oh,
So
I'm
you're down
down
to
to-
1 HP, dude. You might as well hit him with your best shot. Give him your big guns. Oh, right, don't they?
You know, guys, I got squished. I'm a handsome slime bringing pain, one bounce at a time.
Indeed.
That's quite boring for it.
You should keep the chaser on.
Why?
Because it hits him. You don't have to be aiming at him to be able to hit him.
You guys think I'm doing good? Even I don't think so.
Doing well. In fact, you should hit him with a 50 BMG.
What the heck is a 50 BMG? Do you guys know what 50 BMG is, or is Big Daddy just talking cobblers?
You cheeky little rat bag.
What do you think, guys?
Yeah, guys. Duck. Whack.
Not that type of duck, but it is quite funny. Quack, 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 quack.
You
quack,
got ya.
Quack, 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 quack.
Dude, shut up. Doing my nutting. It's right in my ear hole.
But the viewers would probably laugh to it.
Yeah, I suppose they are. Right, you've got your 5 thingamajiggies, so you can give it your top shot if you need to. Ooh. Oh, poop. Move! Oh, titties. We're up to 8 minutes already, dude. Which is quite as exciting as it might be for you. It probably isn't for anyone else.
Do you guys think it's boring?
I don't expect the guys do,
We'll try
but
to improve.
we just need better content, and you need to stop running into that blue thing.
It's not a blue thing, it's a raindrop.
Well, whatever. It's a blue thing.
Do you guys think it's slime or a raindrop? It looks.
I never said it was slime. I just said it was a blue thing.
I wasn't talking to you.
Oh, sorry. Can you do a dance there? Will you get that? There you go. That's how you get extra HP, by the way. You just got to just spin round in circles until the genie appears.
It is.
This
This is I, game Jimmy the Great. I grant these 3 wishes, and this is the first. Each wish doubles HP until the next win.
Sweet. Right, 9.5 minutes now, dude. Make this the last one.
Well, how about we go up to 11 minutes?
Alright.
Right, guys, I've got 8 HP now.
Yeah.
So I should beat the level. 8 HP.
Prolongs our pain even more.
Huh?
Nothing.
So we should beat the level.
You should have your other gun on. This one, pea shooter's pants, mate.
I'll use it on round 3 because because I don't think I actually need it in rounds 1 and 2. Down to 7 HP, guys. Guys, do you think... But guys, I can still get 6 more hits. What level do you guys think you'd need their 8 HP mostly on? Think will I one?
Tricky one.
I think probably rather threatening Zeppelin or floor.
Threatening Zeppelin.
Or floor fury.
I don't know that one. It's easy for you to say.
Threatening Zeppelin is the...
You ran into him, you donut. And again, stop running into him.
Okay. I'll switch it.
Now he's going to dollop, do something to you. Have you? And again. He moves faster than you do, doesn't he?
That's not fair.
So you need to just stay completely opposite end of him and just... That's why you need the chaser on, so you can just stay the other end and just keep shooting at him.
And it's good thing that we have to dash.
Knockout!
Yeah, guys, we got a knockout.
Sweet. Right, does that mean we can stop the video now? Because
Wait.
we're looking up to 12 minutes now.
Hello, guys, we are back. And, now we're going to do this level, but only about, 1 or 2 tries. So this level is called Threatening Zeppelin, and it is hard.
Threatening Zeppelin.
Yes, and it is hard.
I like Led Zeppelin.
Huh?
I like Led Zeppelin.
But not Threatening Zeppelin.
Nah, that sucks. It's a blooming sheep now.
No, that's a bull.
Oh.
It's a white flying bull which pounces.
Well, yeah,
That's normal, isn't it?
Why wouldn't it be?
Yeah. Don't you think, guys?
Oh, heck.
How did I just dodge that?
Don't know. You've got all 5 things, mate, for your attack.
I'm saving that up for round 6.
6? Bloody hell. Gemini next.
But guys, there's only 6 rounds.
So what's this? This is
Round
4, is it? Yeah.
Yes, round 4.
Back to the Zeppelin now.
Yeah, guys, it's back to the Zeppelin.
4, 5.
For a second then
That's round 5 then, isn't it? Oh,
Yeah. For a second then I forgot we were recording. Hey guys, if you were YouTubers, do you think you'd often forget be recording?
I can't forget because I'm getting an arm ache holding a blooming thing.
If you like him, then it's definitely a no. And now I'm fighting the moon.
Right, now use your special. Hit him, hit him. Boosh. Have it.
And this is round 6, guys.
Uh-huh.
I think I'm gonna do this, guys. Do you guys think I'm gonna do
Maybe,
this?
guys.
Yeah, I did
It's
it,
a
guys.
knockout, guys.
First try.
Well done, buddy. Can I stop the video now?
Yeah.
Thanks. Right.
Bye.
Do a proper outro then. Don't just go bye.
Don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and all that cobblers.
Yeah,
Hit the
yeah,
thumbs
yeah,
up
yeah,
and
yeah,
blah blah blah. If there's anybody actually still watching at this point, then you're probably insane or very bored. Or Quentin Tarantino watching my audition tapes. See ya.
Bye.